Hey all, it's Alex here for mytechutopia.net, bringing you another app review. Today's app review is going to be on the app Chix. It's the current number 51 on the top free apps list. And, hit the wrong one there. And if we get looking in here, right now free app, it's the free app of the day for free app of the day, or fad as some people call it. And it's a pretty good thing. It only has about 3 stars right now, but we'll look at that into what the users say, and user ratings, you can't really trust those most of the time. So we'll get to official review here for My Tech Utopia, and open up Chix here. Okay, it's pretty simple here. This is basically the layout of it. So you tap to choose the item you want, and then once you tap that, and then you tap the chick you want to have that ability, and it'll show the currently active item above the chick, if you can see that right there. And the chicks that you need to save right there, whatever that little halo or transporter thing, that would be the exit. And of course the nuclear bomb, couldn't play a game without a nuclear bomb. And okay, how to play, if you didn't see that yet. Okay, there's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 10 different buttons here. Each one does something different. Climb, paratrooper, demolisher, traffic director, tunneler, digger, stairmaster, floater, and nuclear. Bye-bye. As you can see right there, each one does something different. And you can only equip one ability at a time. And the climber gets your chicks to be able to climb walls. Paratrooper lets you equip your chicks with a parachute. The demolisher makes your chicks explosive and straps on some TNT. The traffic director gives your chicks direction and start directing traffic. Tunneler tunnels through ground horizontally. The digger gives your chicks a way out, something downward digging. Stairmaster will make some stairs so your guys can climb. A floater equips your chicks with a floaty device so that they can go through water, that they'll sink. And of course, the nuclear bye-bye gets rid of all chicks that are left over at the end of a round. And controls, yeah, same thing as before. Let's get back here. Okay, yeah, it's pretty simple as it goes through, as this loads. Basically, the chicks will drop down from the top, and then you have to get them to whatever you're going. So if we hit go here, it will show us this is stage 7. A total of 10 chicks will drop down. You have to save at least 6 of them to pass around, and you have 180 seconds to do it. Okay, let's get started here. Okay, see, there's the first one. And sometimes you gotta figure out what exactly you're going to. Like, where are we going? Gotta find where the halo thing is. Oh, there it is. It's down there in the bottom. Okay. So to get started here, let's see, we got a drilling thing. So we'll just make some drilly thing right there. Actually, no, let's do it right here. See, and as you can see, he's drilling down. So our chicks can live and everything. And then they will continue to go down. And then we'll make him go down. You can see, going down there, working their way down. And then they'll just walk their way over to thing there. And then you can speed it up in the top right corner if you want. So sometimes it will go a little bit slow. See, look at that. You can see our numbers saved going up. We got 7, and you can get more than the amount saved. You get more points for that. And you do see. I had 96 seconds left. There was a total of 10 chicks, and I saved 10. I had a 100% save rate, and my score was 1960. That's because I did perfect. So you can see right there. Hit next here. This time, stage 8. There's 10 of them, and we have to save 6, and 180 seconds again. And let's see, what are we going? Oop, gotta add a floaty ability to this guy. You can see down there you only have so many you can use, so you don't want to overuse them. Or there won't be enough. And these just float down since it's going pretty easy so far. Now it does get harder in the later levels. Right now it's pretty easy for the moment, but it can get hard after a while. And once again, make sure to hit all of them, and see, as you can see, I'm out now after I use my 10. There's no more. You can see the chicks I clipped with the floaty are using their floaties to go through the water. And I know you've been looking for this, as most people are right here. This time I will demonstrate the nuke availability thing right here, nuke ability or whatever you want to call it. As you can see, there's a chick right there. So you just hold the nuke thing, hold it for until it goes there, and they just go pooch. And then they died. Yeah, I kind of failed because I killed them all. But, yeah, you saw that, and, so you can automatically unlock all stages if you want, but it does cost money, and I'm pretty sure I don't want to buy that, so I'm going to close the app just to make sure. And yeah, that would be Chicks on the App Store. It's currently a free app. I'm not quite sure if it will stay free, because it's the fad app of the day. And contrary to what the users say, I give this app a out of 10. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10, just because it's a quite entertaining game. In the beginning it's pretty easy, but get some nice challenging thinking on the way in the future, on the later stages. And it can still be improved on, adding more options, but other than that, it's pretty good. So this has been Chicks number 51 on the top free on the App Store currently at the time of this review. And this has been Alex from mytechutopia.net.